Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You boot to the grub menu and choose Advanced Options now. Select the kernel with Recovery Mode. Once Recovery menu loads, enable networking. This lets you install packages if needed. Then drop to the root shell. You need full root privileges to run fsck and journoctl. Make sure to mount the root file system read-only when prompted, because you will check and repair file system journals safely. This is the first actionable sequence to reach the environment where fixes are possible. You now run fsck with force and yes flags. That repairs inode and journal inconsistencies on the partition. Replace sdxn with your device name. Once fsck finishes, verify systemd journals with journoctl verify, then run journoctl rotate to rotate files. Rotation helps isolate corruption. If journoctl reports unrecoverable corruption, remove the offending journal files in /var/log/journal safely. This discards broken binary logs while preserving system logs that are intact. Make sure to keep a backup if possible. Once you repaired journals and file system, remount root read-write with mount o remount, rw/ so the system can update metadata. Then run update grub to ensure boot entries are consistent. After that, run systemctl reboot and watch the boot messages. You should get a clean boot and a login prompt. If the error persists, use a live USB to mount the disk and back up critical data before attempting more invasive fixes. Troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, check Smart Health and replace failing disks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.